Welcome back to the JRD Motorsports vlog. We got most of the team here today. This is the most we've had here probably since race season.
Yeah.
I'd say probably since race season. Most guys we've had in the shop at once. So we're just finishing up a handful of things. We got doing some organization stuff over there, getting some braces for the window braces for the side windows done over there. Jerry's doing a few motor things. And then, Jamie, you and I are going to start finishing up some of the wrap. You can see, looks pretty good though. Just finished up the nose
Coming
this morning. But, race season's coming.
I got asked last night at the Knights game.
Yeah.
How long did it take to finish the wrap? My answer was, well, it's not done yet. So how many hours we got into it, you think?
4?
That's it? That was more.
Probably.
I think it's more. Four for 2 guys.
4 or 5.
Yeah.
So you know what, Ryan? Race season's coming, that means summer's coming. If summer's coming, that means Speedo season's coming.
Oh boy.
I don't think that's approved racewear.
No.
I want to order, you should sell JRD Speedos. I'll buy one. I quit.
I'm gonna pretend like none of that just happened, and let's go do some vinyl and turn off the camera so I can address this situation properly.
I'll take the reversible one.
Get it set up here.
Well, no, she's gonna go hide in that. Does that cover everything?
I think so. We don't have a line tape back there.
We'll do it after. I want the white over top actually, because the yellow has to go on the white.
Okay.
Does that cover everything?
Yeah.
Here, throw that over there for you, brother.
You got. Oh yeah. You need to set that. You got more material on the back to place?
Yeah.
Okay. Bring it towards you just a little bit. Just so we can get the round.
Where's the squeegee and stuff? Alright, we're back from lunch. Once again, somehow we ended up at Subway. Still waiting for Subway to sponsor the team. What are we doing? Windows? Vinyl?
Yep.
You gotta finish those, are you done them or you gotta finish them?
I gotta re-drill. Why? Drill the other side.
Making some brackets for the vent window.
Let
Let me show them what we got done here, Jerry. It's looking good. We got most of this done. Got our first sponsor logo on there. Chevy. Gotta have a Chevy logo on there. We just gotta do a little bit of white here, and then I think we're gonna leave the back for another day, but that'll be pretty much the entire car. Other than that, we got one more yellow line to do, but gotta get our numbers and everything ordered still. I'm gonna spill the beans on a little something. We're changing the scheme we're changing something slightly from when we released the paint scheme publicly. We are going to put a neon yellow number on the roof. I've always wanted one, and we're just going to do it. We're going to get one. So we're going to have a neon yellow number on the roof. And another thing too, hopefully people are still watching at this point in the vlog. Not this one, I thought you're wearing it. Apparel is coming. We're gonna get it out before the season. Now that our scheme and sponsors and everything have been announced, we're gonna get the design and everything finished. I showed these guys. You all liked it, the t-shirts?
Yes, sir.
They're excited.
Yeah, they look good. Quick question.
Yeah.
Ashtray or bolt holder?
Bolt holder.
Okay.
This is a smoke-free shop that you're smoking in.
This half is smoke free.
The side that you're in.
Right. This is smoke free. This side.
But you're smoking.
Right. Like I moved the sign to whatever side I'm on.
New apparel will be coming out. You can probably get it out this week, eh?
Hopefully, yeah.
I just got finished on the front. The back, I think, is done. We're gonna get it to the sponsors and make sure everyone's happy, and then get it released to the public. We're working on some stuff to hopefully be able to ship t-shirts and stuff. Jamie's on that. You know you're on that.
Sure.
Your face just made it look like you didn't know you were on that.
That was my idea, so.
Yeah. But otherwise, I guess we should get back to work here. I don't feel like moving. I shouldn't have rammed that sub in me, but
Yeah, I don't. That Big Mac.
oh yeah, you went to McDonald's.
Yeah, I'm gonna have the Benz in about 20 minutes.
We got ribs. You still mad at us for making you take those off, Jerry?
No, not
Are
mad.
you good now that you've eaten?
No, I was fine before.
Oh, okay. All right. Let's
Certain things are obvious.
do this to the other side. Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's what is it? Sunday night now. Long weekend. We just finished working in here today. My soon-to-be father-in-law Greg came and helped me for the afternoon and helped me get the pit cart almost done. I needed a big sheet metal brake, and he was able to help me with that. So that was one of the last things on the pit cart. It's just about done. Just finished watching the Daytona 500, and I was close. I put money on Chase Briscoe, and he finished third. I was close to winning some money there, but no dice. But I just wanted to give a little update. We were having some camera issues. The phones weren't working so hot when we were in here yesterday morning. So I just wanted to come out here and show some of the stuff we did yesterday and then this morning. The car, I'll flip around here and show everybody what we got going on. The car looks damn good. I am super, super proud of the way this is looking. Right here, I'm just missing the yellow line on the bottom to separate the blue and the white, like that. But the nose is all done. She looks pretty good there. Brake ducts are in, grill's in, everything's good. Missing our big logo on the hood, the Douglas window and door logo, and all of our logos. But that looks pretty damn good there. I love this blue. I absolutely love this blue. It's so sharp. Our car is gonna pop so good this year. I can't wait to get on track and see it. Even, you know, the snow's melting pretty good. I think it's gonna be pretty warm tomorrow, so it's not gonna be long before we can push her outside and see it in the sun. That's when you get you can stand back and get the full look of it on the ground and stuff. That's when we'll really kind of be like, whoa. Come over here and show the pit cart. This thing, I gotta finish riveting the bottom and everything. We just got that piece bent today, but this thing is awesome. This has been a lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of work. Got doors all back here, but I gotta put the latches in still, but the handles are in. And then back here, she's all ready to go. I got this door sitting here. I have two little hinges sitting on the shelf, but that's the pit cart. I am just so proud of this thing and the way it's come together, and this handle's working. Look at these cute little things. Fantastic. They just go on, and that's that. Got our wood tabletop on the pit cart done. I think I've showed that in the past vlog, but she's got, I think, 16 layers of urethane on it, so she's smooth. But yeah, let us know in the comments below what you think of this thing. We're gonna get a diamond plate top on it still, but otherwise it's getting there. Finish the riveting. I gotta do a little bit of stuff on the inside, put those last few the last door on, get the top on, decal it, and we got ourselves a functional pit cart. But let us know in the comments what you think of this. I mean, I realize it's just a pit cart, but I'm pretty proud of it. We spent a lot of time on it, and definitely going to be a big addition to the race team. I think I explained before, we just want to be prepared this year. You know, we took some of our prize money from the end of last year and built that. You know, the toolbox and stuff we had and all that stuff. So anyways, just wanted to come out and give a little bit of an update. I know the camera really wasn't working yesterday. I don't know what was going on with the phones, if there was an issue with iPhones, or I don't know what was going on. But every time we tried to film something, it just would cut off and whatever. So anyways, I just wanted to come out here and show you that, like I just said. So that's it. I'm gonna go back in and enjoy Sunday night. It's almost like Saturday night with the long weekend. Hope everyone has a great family day weekend, and I'm sure we'll be back out here another day or two this week, and then probably Saturday again. Although the car is pretty much getting there. I gotta get some decals on order. But do us a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Go check out JRDmotorsports.ca for us, and be sure to make sure you go hit that like on our Facebook page too. New merchandise should be coming out this week. I think we're gonna do pre-orders again, and then place our merch order, and then we'll have some additional after that. But I think they're a pretty good looking shirt, so make sure you go like our pages. We appreciate everyone. Comment below letting us know how we're doing. Let us know what you think of the pit cart, the paint scheme, now that you're sort of seeing it come together, and anything else you might want to see us do out here. We're having fun. We're getting ready to go racing, and I think this is gonna be a hell of a season. So we'll catch everybody next time on the JRD Motorsports vlog.